It's just ready.
Here's the room. So you walk in here, there's a king size, and then you have a couch, TV. This is a nice little area. Little desk here too. You can do some work, and then you have a kettle, tea, coffee, water. They have 24-hour room service, right?
Yep.
Mini bar priceless. So this is their mini bar. And some snacks right there. Let's see the view.
Mountain views.
Oh, you can see the mountains and the buildings.
Oh, the mall right there.
Oh, I see it down there. That's what it looks like on the other side. Some closet space. Oh, they have a doorbell. Look at the pillows. Soft and firm.
Wow.
They got chanelas and iron. Some robes. Have, I guess, an ironing board in there.
Yeah.
Full-size mirror. Like, huge mirror.
And you want to know what's really cool?
What?
You could just press the do not disturb button instead of putting that thing that you're hanging on, remember?
Yeah. Okay, that's convenient. And then this is the washroom. That. Dental kit, shaving kit, comb, nail file. I always take the nail file because it's just nice and handy to have on you. Shower cap, vanity kit. It looks like there's Q-tips in there too. I love when they have full-size products. Hand and body wash, body lotion. What else? Hair dryer. They have like some empty plastic bags. They also have these full-size products as well. Shampoo, conditioner, hand and body wash. And then our bags, as you heard, already arrived. And everyone's been really nice so far, so I'm excited. And the gym is 24 hours.
Let's go.
So we'll check that out. And then they have a rooftop pool.
Oh yeah.
Maybe a bar up there too, I don't know. What else do they have? Free breakfast.
Breakfast is included.
Yeah. Let's go see what the rest of the fam is doing.
Let's go see.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's happening today?
The address of my dentist.
Now we're at floor 7.
All day pool pass, $6.50 net per.
Well, ours is free because we are staying here.
And what about this? Is it free?
Yeah.
And what about any of this? No?
No. This is where breakfast is. They have like seating out here and then the pool area. We'll go check this out later. Gym is 24 hours.
Hey, what you trying to see, boo?
The 7-Eleven. Right at the bottom of our hotel. They definitely don't have a speakeasy. Go see that vlog if you haven't already. The Speakeasy 7-Eleven in BGC.
What's going on? Why are we going to 7-Eleven?
Oh my gosh!
This is just like a mini 7-Eleven.
We have to pay.
Oh, onigiri. What do they have?
Lord Talong chicken
Oh.
seafood.
But you can't. Oh, do they have a microwave now?
They have a microwave here. Somewhere.
Oh, that right. I don't think we have a microwave in our room. We're just seeing what they have. I don't think we're gonna get everything right now. What is that? I love Cadbury. Oh, milk tea.
Wafer roll peanuts. They got nips. I'll take it. I'll take it big. Cloud 9. We're back in Siargao, bruh.
Shout out to you, Kuya Don.
Don Surf King.
You can call him Don Don. He said, "Pop your heart out." What's Don? All the snacks.
Oh, look at this energy drink. I think this thing gets you going.
Scary.
It looks medicinal.
Yeah, that one looks good actually.
It's the same one as the other one.
Just different label.
$1.25.
For beer. $1.25. All the nuts. You can have a drink. GPs are public transit here, but privately owned. They're basically some old vehicles that were left by the war, and they repurposed them, decorated them, and People have been using them to transport people all over the city. And I think they work like TTC, like they just go one way. And they just keep picking up people as they go. That kind of thing.
Yeah.
But apparently they're trying to get rid of jeepneys in the Philippines. But I don't know why, because it's so iconic.
What we're in right now is called Business Park.
We're just gonna hang out at the mall.
Beautiful.
The coffee you wanted? Oh, UCC. You wanted to try that.
You want to get some ook?
Tong's birthday tomorrow, everyone. Oh my god.
UCC Special Blend. This coffee place, they have an academy for coffee.
Really?
Yeah, in Manila, the BGC. Look at that pour. Wow, very good, very good. Thank you, Paul. It's gonna be the best cup of coffee ever. It has to be. It's nice.
Fun in here.
Mark, calisthenics. Do it.
That's a playground. That's the calisthenics.
Oh. Oh, I know this area now. Remember we always see this in the videos? This little circle thing?
Oh. Well, let's go see what's over there.
Baking company.
This looks so nice. What the heck?
It's actually a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's actually not hot at all.
It's like room temperature, but with a breeze. So
Yes. Vibes now.
Wow, there's so many places to sit down.
Yeah, you can sit anywhere.
So annoying. Bunch of floors. We're just walking around and checking everything out. Good afternoon. This store looks so nice.
400 pesos.
No.
And guess how much that is in Canadian?
Is this not a sale price? Is this
How much?
supposed to be $1,200?
$10.
This is a nice shirt. It's only $25 for Hong.
This one has
It's like super high quality. Are you getting it?
I don't know, I gotta try it on.
Pizza Hut. And look what they have here. Randomly. What? Viet rolls. That's crazy. Hong's just dancing. He hears some music. He's trying to find somewhere to eat right now. It's a beautiful night. Got the palm trees going. The lights.
Welcome to Cebu.
Nicest looking Vietnamese restaurant I've ever seen in my life.
Nicest Vietnamese restaurant. Whoa. Does look very nice. We're gonna have some Vietnamese food tonight.
Oh my god, pretty hot and tempting.
That's my old email.
This is the place for jewelry.
T_H_A_T_01. This is like a restaurant. $10.
Cheaper than home.
Definitely not as cheap as Vietnam, where they have like $2 Canadian bowls. That's crazy.
This is the ultimate test. If I try this Boomba way and it's legit, that's crazy. Because even back home it ain't legit.
Yeah. This con crunchy sides.
Only $4.29 for small.
Even desserts. Ooh, actually sounds good. That rainbow veggies. Banh mi. What's that? Oh my gosh, more. Plates to share.
Shrimp and sour milk. Oh, this one, poached chicken and cabbage.
Noodle bowls. So many things, actually. I don't want to get a drink.
Should we do a fat cooler?
We're gonna share that.
Yeah.
That sounds actually so good.
Season your pho with stuff.
Is it this? Or is it?
Take some notes, okay?
I know.
You better eat it correctly. My mom and dad are here. They're here from their pedicure. Dad, did you get a pedicure too? No, just mom.
You should get a pedicure. For your feet. Show Garcia.
Oh, thank you. And then here's my cup. I got a small.
We're knocking on that one.
How's the humble leg?
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah? Good. Look at that meatball. Different.
We eat all day. I don't even care.
Fully packed.
Holy packed.
And now we're at a grocery store. Look at all this durian they have here. My mom and dad are gonna go off.
And this would be good for your coffee.
Mangosteen. Guayabana.
Yeah.
Look at all the fruit here. Look at the avocado. So much produce. All individually wrapped.
Yo, look. Health benefits.
Wow. All the
Lowered
health
red benefits.
benefits. Actually, my parents would like to read this.
What is this? Oh,
It has every health benefit.
what is that? This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These, I don't know if you can get the... What? It's cute?
Come on, eh?
These fatties.
Like, wow.
They're giant. All the logo. If you ever wondered, that's what bananas are good for. All kinds of bananas.
Did
Oh,
buy
wow, look at
banana?
their fruit. They place it so nice.
Yeah, look, it's perfect.
What's that picture? Hi guys. Thanks for watching our vlog. See you in the morning during breakfast. What time?
8 a.m. 8 a.m. Too big like water. Too big like water. Hey, Nicole.
Oh my goodness.
So you're gonna
Okay.
take this, Felix, or am I gonna come with you?
Subscribe,
I'll take it.
like,
If you
and
can-
comment
I'll
below.
take it.
From the top, they were quite ripped.
and sip it.
Bye.
See ya.